Hello everybody! Today we learn about the sum function and the subtotal function. So let's start. If you know, the sum and the subtotal is summarize everything I have. Like here, I have my grocery list like milk, salmon, tuna, olive oil, eggs, and here I have the number for all. If I want to do the sum, I do sum equal sum, and then I take everything and I close this. But if I want to see with the subtotal function, I do equal subtotal, and then I select here, and if you see I have the average, maximum, minimum, and then I have the 9 sum. I take the option, and then I take everything and I close this. Now if you see I have the same number, but if I take this filter, something will be changed. Like here, I take the filter, but let's see, I don't want to eggs and I don't want the cheese. The number change only with the subtotal. If you see, the sum don't change at all. Let's do another. If I take the list and I don't want to see the cheese, banana, apple I don't want, milk, and I don't want the olive oil. If you see, the number of the subtotal change, but the number of the sum don't change, because the subtotal take me the filter, but the sum take me everything. Okay guys, let's do the summary. I have the sum, everything has been summed up, including the filter, and the subtotal, it's more good for me, not everything has been summed up, including the filter. Please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.